Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? The affirmations, the scripting, the vision boards, but nothing is changing. You're not crazy, you're not broken. And no, the universe is not ignoring you. You are just out of alignment. Hi guys, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why your manifestations aren't showing up and how to finally shift into the version of you that receives with ease. So let's get right into it, because this video might just change your life. Manifestation isn't just about wishing. It's not about repeating things 100 times, and it's not about controlling the outcome. It's about alignment, identity, frequency, belief. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. And if your identity doesn't match your desire, you'll keep manifesting what you believe, not what you wish for. You want love, but deep down you feel unworthy. You want success, but deep down you are terrified of failing. You want peace, but your mind is constantly racing. And the universe mirrors back your dominant energy, not your Pinterest vision board. Now here's why you may feel stuck. You're attached to the outcome. You're desperate, begging, checking constantly. That energy is not trust, it's lack. You're manifesting from fear, not love. You're trying to escape your current reality, not create from a place of abundance. You don't truly believe you're worthy. The subconscious runs the show. If your inner child still believes you're not good enough, no amount of scripting will override that yet. You are not acting like the version of yourself who already has it. You say you want it, but do your thoughts, your habits match that version? You're ignoring divine timing. Sometimes it's not happening yet because you are being prepared for something so much better, or even because what you want requires like a healed, stronger version of you to receive it. And as the wizard Liz says, one of my favorite YouTubers, rejection is just redirection. Delay is not denial. Now here's how you flip the script. Let go of the how. The how is not your job. How am I going to get to this? How am I going to do this? That's the universe's playground. So forget about the how. It's not your job. Your job is the what and the why. Now live from the end. Ask, what would she believe? What would that version believe? What would she do? How would she feel? And then be her right now. Reprogram your subconscious daily through affirmations, visualization, meditation, inner child healing, and gratitude journaling. And trust divine timing. Sometimes your manifestation is on its way, but you are delaying it by constantly doubting. And embody ease. Let it come to you effortlessly, not from chasing but receiving. Your job is not to force it. Your job is to align with it. Now, I'm going to give you some affirmations to repeat daily, not to beg, but to become. I am a magnet for everything that's meant for me. I effortlessly attract abundance, love, and opportunities. I am worthy of everything I desire. I surrender the how and trust the divine plan. I am already the version of me who has it all. What I seek is seeking me. I don't chase, I attract. My energy speaks before I do. Say them in the mirror with conviction, with presence, with joy. Here are some books that don't just teach manifestation, they rewire your soul, so I totally recommend them. The Magic by Rhonda Byrne, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joedispenza, my favorite. Ask and It's Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks, You Are the Placebo by Joedispenza, and The Mountain Is You by Brianna Weiss. Read these books and come back in the comments and let me know how everything has changed for you. Let's see what the message of the angels are for you today about these manifestations, about your plans. So let's see. I don't know if you saw, but this one came out. Optimism. Successful. Whoa! I can't believe it. Successful manifestation of your abundance is near. Higher levels of optimism are needed as new abundant beginnings are on the horizon. Brighter days always come after the darkest of nights. Everything is in perfect order as I enter into this next chapter of my journey and connect to the abundance that is near. I mean, I don't know how this can, it literally looks like I am doing it on purpose, but I swear I'm not. This is incredible. Incredible. So, guys, I'm going to leave you with this. And if only you knew how close you are. Remember that. If you only you knew what the universe is orchestrating behind the scenes, you would just stop worrying, you would stop doubting, and you would start living as if it's already done. So do that, because it is. Faith is not hoping, it's knowing. You don't need to force it, you don't need to chase, you just need to align and receive. So repeat after me. I'm ready to receive what I've already claimed in my spirit. Say it as many times as you need. Okay guys, if this video lit something inside of you, share it with a friend. If you could like, comment and subscribe, that would be great. It really helps me out. Now remember, I post videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. And remember, what you want, it's already vale. And remember, what you want is already on its way. You are not behind, you are exactly where you're needed to be. Okay guys, I will see you very, very soon. Bye.